What's up everybody, my name is Warren, welcome to Amped Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing a set of BRAUM Racing seats into my 2014 Jeep Wrangler. So we have a set of BRAUM Racing Venom Series racing seats. Comes with two sets of sliders and a set of Planet Technology seat brackets that are laser cut to fit right into the Jeep Wrangler. So these are side specific, they're very clearly labeled so that you can't put them in the wrong side. Alright, so the set comes with 4 Allen bolts that go into the seat, 4 Allen bolts to go from the sliders into the seat brackets, a set of spacers and nuts. We went to the hardware store and picked up a set of grade 8 bolts for the seats to go into the seat brackets that are already in the Jeep. So that's pretty much everything that we have here. Now we can start taking stuff apart. Alright, so first step in the process is to unbolt the 4 bolts that go into the floor pan. After you have those out, you're going to reach under the seat. There are 2 connectors that need to be removed before you can pull the seat out of the Jeep. Alright, so once you have the seat out of the car, next step is going to be to pull the seat off of the bracket so that we can install the new seats onto it. So to remove the bottom of the seat bracket from the sliders, you have 6 bolts, 1 in the front on each side, and then in the back there are 2 on each side. So that's going to mount back into the floor. That goes onto the bracket. And then the sliders will go on top of that. Seat goes on top of the sliders. So once we have the brackets mounted to the factory bracket, next step is to put the sliders onto the bottom of the seats. Alright, so now that we have the sliders mounted to the bottom of the seat, next step is going to be to flip the seat over and start bolting it onto the seat brackets. And we're done. Seat's installed, feels really comfortable, nice and snug sitting in it. Got adjusted to basically where we want it. So only thing left is to do the other side and we're good, done. Thanks for watching this video. Comment down below if you want to see more installation videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with new videos coming out. Thanks, see you on the next one.